Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Technique Thursday. Today we're going to have some fun. Oh gosh, yes, we're having some fun. We're going to play with some baby wipes, and we're going to play with some distress ink and some really fun stickers. So we'll get the baby wipe ready. Now, let's see what we've got. Have you seen the new girls yet? 8 different sheets of girls. Girls with faces, girls without faces. We have redheads and brunettes and blondes and gray-haired ladies, and oh my gosh, I'm just loving these. So I wanted to use a redhead today. And I've got out some of the word Fetty stickers and then some of the Say What speech bubbles. I wanted to use these just on a page. So not a page kit today, but just having some fun in my Bible. So let's see. I decided I wanted to try the background with distress ink. I bought this peacock feathers and haven't had a chance to use it actually. And so I thought today would be the day. So I haven't prepped this page. This is the first time I'm trying that too. If there's a little bit of a bleed through, it's okay. The verse I chose is actually here. It's in Joshua 1-9 that says, "This is my command. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go." And I'm going to do it on this side just to leave the front page clear for now. I have another idea for that. So the other night I was hubby and I are making some decisions right now about some things, and I'm a little bit stressed out about it and not sure what I think and what we're gonna do. So I prayed. I didn't know what to do. I prayed, and this verse came that the Lord is going to direct us, so no need to fear or to worry. All right, baby wipe, distress ink. This is just a plain tile, and I'm just going to dab. I'm just going to do this, and then we'll see how much we want to put on and how much we want to leave off. So this is my big technique for today, but it's quick, right? It's something that you can just do. Let's see. Oh, look, the other side of the page is fine. So I guess it's going to depend like how much we put on, and we could, you know, smear some of it and do some more like swirls around the edges to complete the page. We can even put some up here, and it doesn't really show well on the blue, but so you can also use this baby wipe to blend all this together, which is kind of fun. So I'm just going to pick up a little more color and do that, blend it just a bit, and then bam, look at that, we are done. That's the big background. So backgrounds for Bible journaling don't have to be, you know, intense and take you 2-3 hours to do. You can just a little bit of distress ink, a baby wipe, you're on your way. So kind of fun. Just going to give it a little bit of a dry. So I have to tell you a funny thing. So I finally broke down and bought a really cheap little Canon point and shoot, because my other one, the batteries just kept dying on me. You know how I shoot the videos. So I bought this new camera. Got so excited to shoot a video. So I got my stuff ready. I go to shoot the video, and I look through the viewfinder, and then I press record. So guess what happens? The thing zoomed in, so you had about this much of the page. So I did a whole video. Yep, did the whole video and then went to watch it. What a kerfluffle that was, trying to get the pictures off the camera. That was fun. It said I have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and I'm trying to figure it out. And I've got Hubs try to help me. And I'm like, why don't they just have a cord? Why don't they just have a plain cord, like, you know, just my old camera? And sure enough, guess what? Huh, found the old cord. And it fit the new camera, so I could just plug it in and take them off like I was used to. So I'm just going to start with some of the speech bubbles here. And what I did was I printed out some words on just plain clear sticker paper, and I'm going to put those in the speech bubbles. So let's see, we've got this. I've got them kind of checked off of which ones I'm going to use. These are just the handy dandiest little things, I tell ya. We should actually start probably with the big ones at the bottom. I'm just gonna stick to the pink and the blue and do that. Let's see, and need a big pink one. How about this one? And where are we gonna put? Oh, maybe this one has to move. And let's see if this sticker is gonna cooperate, because sometimes if you do a background, this white sticker paper, I printed these on white sticker paper, will come off. Perfect. Okay, I'm good to go now. I just wanted to move that a little up. And I think we need one more little. This is the only thing I don't like about sticker paper, is that it can be really sticky, and then when it gets really sticky, we got a problem. So I want to put, I think, that one here. We'll put this one here, that one there. Okay, good, 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 good. So that was these girls. I love these girls. Oh my gosh, you don't even know how long it took me to make this messy bun. It doesn't look like much, but honestly, it took me hours one afternoon. I was kind of laughing how long it took me, and I phoned Nikki and I'm like, I've been working on this girl's hair all day. And she just laughed. She goes, show me, Mom. So I had to show her, and I was so happy with it. So, have you noticed no winter sweater today? In the other video though, yeah, I had a sweater on. The video that no one will see because it didn't shoot anything. Yep, I tell ya, the things I do. But you know, we had like a day, well, almost like a week of rain here, which was good because Hubs and I planted our grass. We have to revive our lawn every year in the back from the pups. So we had just planted seed, and it rained, and it was glorious, and I was so happy. And so what I have here is, first of all, trust him. Trust him and his plan. Pray, had to pray, then breathe. I don't breathe well. I need to breathe. And then it's going to be okay. Just have faith, and he knows the way. Just follow him. So, yeah, what do? You know, you got to just trust in God, and he's going to lead us where we need to go and what we need to do. So I'll put it. My little Margaret scissors. Gosh, these things are wonderful. If you have arthritis, these are like the best little easy action scissors ever. Totally love them. And right now, there's a helicopter flying over my house. I had to explain to the pups this morning that we were going to shoot a video, and we had to be very, very quiet for Grandma. And I shoot a lot of videos when I need to keep my mind occupied, and right now Nikki is offline. We talked about it. I'm shooting this video on a Saturday, and we were talking about it last night in our Friday night shenanigans. And I just want to say thank you all for praying for her. She's flying to France today. She'll be back in 10 days. Oh my gosh, I miss her already. I talk to her every day because we do Lot 95 together. And she has such wonderful ideas, and she's the one that makes all our banners and our Facebook covers and the Instagram quotes, and she just does all this stuff for me. She's so amazing, and she's taking over. Well, hi again. I was in the middle of a sentence, and I just learned something new about my new camera. When the battery's dead, because I've been playing with it so much, it just shuts the camera off. It doesn't give you that little beep beep warning. It just shuts the camera off. So if I disappear, We know why now. Okay. Crazy. I'm not sure what I was talking about. Oh, how wonderful Nikki is and all the stuff she does for us. And she's so great. So thank you all for praying for her. I so appreciate it. You are an amazing, amazing group. And if you're new to the channel, and oh my gosh, our Praise and Pray Bible journaling group on Facebook, I'm telling you ladies, it's such a fabulous group. Last night we had Friday night shenanigans. So every Friday night we just gather on Facebook in our group. We start a post called Shenanigans and we just chat. We share what we did tonight. LR will tell us how she's out for her fish fry and see who's watching the babies. Lana will poke in and Lynn Banky and gosh, Tasha, everybody just pops in and says hi, and Sherry, and wow, it's such fun, and Laura, and we just catch up on how was your week and what are you working on, and side projects. What else are you working on besides stuff in Praise and Pray? And we share and we laugh and sometimes we cry. It's so beautiful, so beautiful, and we have so much fun together. And it's just such a great night. And we just learn, you know, we get to see new grandbabies and we get to see other projects and the junk journal last night. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Really, people, you guys are so good. So I just love our group so much. And we were talking about, you know, growth the other day, Nikki and I said, what I love is I love to be present. Yes, I'm a designer, but the community to me is what's important. The community of sharing and being there for each other. And I always want to do that. I always want to be there. And I love chatting with everyone. And it's a beautiful group. And I am so, so blessed. So thank you. I'm all emotional today too because, yes, Nikki's flying across the world and Mama's stressed and Margaret's like, oh my gosh, I gotta stay up all night with her till Nikki lands tomorrow morning. What are we gonna do? Well, we could get into some trouble, I'm sure. There's always something DIY that I need to try. And oh, wow. Katrina in our group using the transparencies in her Bible. What a fabulous idea. I have to get some and shoot a video on this. You know, the ideas and inspiration just amaze me each and every day. I go, wow, I never thought of doing it that way. Wow, I never thought of putting that embellishment there. And what it does is it opens up creativity for me because then I go, oh, you know what I could design? We could do this here. We could do that there. And oh, we just have fun. I know, babble, babble, babble. And let's see if we can get this last one off. Sorry, it's these little stickers when you don't have Hank cut them and you cut them yourself. There we go. All right. And then I thought I was going to grab these new stencils because I bought them for actually a planner. I really wanted the her diary. This is Dilutions. And look at these. I'll hold them this way. Look at this fun stuff. So I just wanted to just stamp a little bit with them. And yeah, I thought I needed her diary. Oh my gosh, she's got such beautiful things. And Diane Reedley. But I said to myself, no, 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 you have enough planners and all this other stuff. So calm yourself down and stop doing all this. And I will use my Simon Says black ink. I was looking for my Ranger, but I can't find it. So I will use this one, and it's fabulous ink as well. And I just wanted to, you know, just put a few little arrows and such, and you know, just a few little goodies on the page. Why not, right? Why not? What else can we put? I love those little circles. I love these little doodads. Let's put a couple of these on here too. Just to add some zing into our page. Why not, right? And this one we'll put maybe going off the page, and one more going off the page. I need something for here. We'll just put it like that so we can stamp on it. There we go. Oh, that's fun. Maybe we need one at the bottom right there. Yeah, just something fun, a little doodad. And I love these too. These are my favorites, these little things. So yeah, just putting it in the ink and stamping maybe here. You never know what's going to happen with stamping, do we? No, we don't. And that's the joy of permanent ink, is you go, oh my gosh, what did I just do? Just gonna stick that there so I don't stamp the whole next page as well. Okay, perfect. And I think I'm going to leave it as such. So in no time at all, we've got this fun little page done, and we used a couple of the different sticker sheets, so you don't need a kit. You can just grab some of the sticker elements and have some fun. Pick a verse that you need to think about or something that comes to mind, and just have fun and relax and play. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I will see you next week on Technique Thursday. God bless.